this amazing band called the Beatles. Timeless music, man, these guys. Blackbird singing in a dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. And all your life you were only waiting for this moment to arrive. Blackbird fly, blackbird fly to the light of the cold dark night. Blackbird singing in a dead of night. Take these sunken eyes and learn to see. And all your life you were only waiting for this moment to be free. Blackbird fly, blackbird fly, singing oh to life. Into the cold, cold, dark night. Y'all enjoying yourself still? I'm gonna do a little something here, man. I'm gonna bring my beautiful wife, my little boy Ezekiel up to the stage. We're gonna sing one song before we bring the band back up here. Oh man, this is my first time on a cruise ever, man. You guys are setting the bar really high. So we had a show last night in Magnum, and yeah, a couple of you guys were there, man. Thank you for coming back out here and enjoying this one. But in the middle of my set, like I was looking over, and this lady was pointing over to my wife and was like, "Get on the stage, sit on the stage." Not everyone knows my wife always usually sings with me. We sing together in church and whatnot. And so whenever I can't get her on stage, I try to. But she costs me too much, so it's good. She only do like 2 songs. Said all my bags are back, gotta go. Find myself on too far back home. But I know you won't be missing me when I'm gone, when I'm gone. I wanna lose myself in the mountain range. Nothing that quenches my thirst but the pouring rain. But I know you won't be missing me when I'm gone, when I'm gone. Door, told her, I'm coming home, I'm coming home. Mother bows her head to pray at night. Lord, she's praying she can make it right. You know she hates it when I fight on my own. And oh, she told me. And oh, she told me. And oh, she told her. And oh, she told her. I'm coming home, coming home, home to you. Let's welcome the guys back up to stage. Give it up to our beautiful wife, Faith Artis.